Hi guys, this is the Tech Girl 007. Today it's all about video creation, which is a new feature that's been introduced in Canva recently. You're going to learn everything from adding a video all the way to editing and sound adjustment, plus how to add internal and external videos to your post and more. I do have so many tutorials, so many quick tutorials on other social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. So don't forget to follow me there. And with that said, let's get started with this one. So before starting, I would like to give you the good news. This program allows you to create videos for any platform. Yeah, you heard it right. Any platform, such as Facebook videos, YouTube story videos, poster ads, Instagram post videos, and even Instagram story videos. And not only that, but also gives you the convenience of pre-made canvas sizes for each platform. And today we're going to make an Instagram reel video, which is popular right now. But don't worry though, the editing is the same for any other social media post that you'd like to create. So let's go to Canva home, and here you can search for Instagram reel. So in here you can search for Instagram reel video, and the dimension is 1080 by 920. Right, okay, so I'll click on that and I'll select a blank page. Otherwise you can select any of the pre-made one. So let's go ahead and select this one. Now in here you can add your background if you'd like, so you can add any background that you wish. So if you have a free account, then Canva won't allow you to use their paid one, so you have to have a paid account if you wanted to use the paid background. So anything paid, you have to have the paid account for this. So let's go ahead and I can choose a gradient background. Now to add a video, you go onto the left and click on videos. Now you've got so many videos that Canva has already given you. Obviously for this purpose I'm gonna choose one of them to just show you guys. You can play it like that. So that's the internal video that you can select, and here you can select which part of the video you'd like to select. So you can trim it from here like how you do on the normal editing. So for example, I can trim it that way. So from this part of the video until this part of the video, I would like this to play, and then the rest of them I don't want to play. So that means it's kind of like it's kind of deleted the other faded sides. Okay, so the left and the right. Okay, so if I play that, so it's only playing for where I selected. Now you could also crop this video by either going on the top or the bottom, or from the left and the right, as well as going on the edges. Now you can also select the crop option in here, so you can see which parts you have cropped, and if you wanted to adjust it and obviously bring some other parts in the video, you could do so by just repositioning the video and then select done. Now you can flip the video horizontally, and you can do that vertically as well, so whichever you'd like. Now position of the video, say if you wanted to have two videos on top of each other, then you can just position it either to background, or you can have it a forward position. You can also try to increase or decrease the transparency on here as well. So if you wanted this video to be faded, you can also go ahead onto the elements and select a specific shape that you want the video to be like. So for example, in here I wanted this Mac in here, so I'm gonna just make it bigger, so you can bring this video over to the laptop and get it to snap into the actual frame that it's got. This is going to look like as if this video is playing from a laptop, so that's how the frame is going to look like. Alright, And let's look at what other things we can do in the reel. You can also cut or trim the second one if you would like. You can click anywhere on the canvas and you can animate the whole thing. So if you click on here, it usually have animate on here. So if you click on animate, you'll be able to choose from a few options that it's been given you. So you can say rise, you can say breathe, or I don't know, block, whichever you'd like. So I'm going to select fade for now. If you would like to add some text, you can do so by going on to text and select any that you prefer. So just put this in here. You can ungroup these texts by going to ungroup, and then you can delete the ones that you don't like. So I'll just leave that as it is. So this video does not have any sound or music on top of it. I can go on to, but if you would like to put a sound on there, you can go on to where it says music, and then you can select from one of the free ones if you would like, or the paid version if you have the pro account. So you can play it before adding it, and then you can just click on it for it to be added to the video. So the music is only going to play up until the video finishes. So for example, if I select the video and I say how much of the video I would like to play, at this moment it's 15 seconds. Alright, so if you go onto the music, it's not going to go over 15 seconds. But if you would like other parts to be played, you can just drag that 15 seconds and you can place it from wherever you want on the music frame, and it shall start from where you have selected for it to start. So don't limit your options there. You can select to bring a photo in here either in front, or you can make this as a background. Just dragging the picture and this should snap into the background. Then you can change the colors if you would like, just to match the whole theme. Now I'm going to select an Instagram logo from the uploads that I have uploaded and just place it somewhere on here. You can choose to select all and center everything if they're not already centered, so you'll see a line, a pink line showing you as if it was centered already, or if you're moving it, when you're moving it, it'll disappear and then appear again when it's centered. You can do that individually if you would like. Another cool thing that I would like to show you in here, they can also have a picture that has no background in here. They will give it like a 3D effect, if you know what I mean. So you can select any photo and then position it to where you would like. Just make sure that it's in front, and you can bring some bits out as if this is just coming out of the video. And I think that looks very cool. Flipping it is just a click away. So that was to do with the internal videos, photos and icons, but how about the external videos? For the external videos, you can either use your own videos or you can choose one from YouTube. In this case, I'm going to select one of my videos which is only short. So you go onto the video and you select the video URL, copy it, and go to Google and write YouTube to MP4 and just select any of them. Now paste the link in here and say convert to MP4. But if you only wanted just the sound of it, so like if you wanted to put the music or just the sound of that video in here, then you want to select MP3. So you want to convert this MP4 and then it's just going to process it and download it. Don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more.